Hey, beautiful people. I want to do one more video for you guys because, hey, we did have a good week in the Forex market as well. I know I've been doing discussions on the futures market, but let's not sleep on the Forex market side. And then also keep in mind, we do have copier services for oil and silver. We also have it for the indices and, of course, for gold and other markets. So we do cover the gamut for that, but I want to show you guys what we did in the Forex market this week. Um, we did a lot of trades, and this is the team, and we all hit pretty well this week. Everybody did very, very well. Of course, as you can see, I'm the only person with a loss. So I have one loss, but again, I made that back up today, this morning, with the win on here for the GJ. So, as you can see, we was rocking and rolling. So if it wasn't for my one loss, we would have been 13-0 with a 100% win rate, 100% win rate for the week. But we're at 92.31% for the week, 1,700 pips. And I did post charts of profits and stuff like that we made. So you guys seen that. I floated that out this week. So again, we've been, and I changed this to 2025, but since we started, this is what we've done. We're at 76.60% since we started last year with all of our trades. So you can see that we're doing a very, very good job. And of course, not every week is going to be a winner week, as you personally traded, and that, with the Trump tariffs and all the stuff that's happening, it makes it difficult to have a winning week every single week. But, you can have weeks like this even in tumultuous markets. So like I said, my one loss is, I'm embarrassed to say I had a loss, but it happened, happened yesterday. And some news came out yesterday, probably tariff news, and then the market just tanked. And you guys were trading during that time, so you probably seen it, the dollar crash, and so forth and so forth. So it happens. It's no big deal. But again, like I said, I made it back. So overall, my team, Dr. Elvis, Miss Jenny, and I, we made profits for people. And this is just a screenshot of just the Forex market, but keep in mind we also have the oil and silver. We don't keep records of gold and the indices because those are more like scalp trades, you're in and out. Okay, but either way goes. So if you're interested in our copycat service, go to our website, superezcopycat.com, and when you get there, this is what it's going to look like. Okay, hold on, let me see if I can pull this down for you. All right, there we go. All right, so let me pull this over so you can see the URL. So you'll know it's exactly mine. We got a lot of people trying to duplicate us. And this is what success breeds. It breeds a lot of con artists because they're not good enough to do what we do. So they'll try to pretend that they're us. So I want to make sure that you're going, if you choose to, that you're going to our website to do whatever you would like to do. Okay. So you can go to superezcopycat.com and then just click on the join button, and you'll see how the copycat copier works. You can watch this little short video. This will be your account. This will be us trading over here. And when I take a trade over here, you'll see it pops in over here. And once I close it out over here, you'll see it closes out over there. That's as simple as it is. You set it up and just leave it be. Okay. So once you click in here in the join button, you see there's all kind of menu options of different things, different combinations, that if you want combo packs or whatever, if you want a la carte, I just want only oil and silver, I only want the indices, I only want oil, Forex, or if you want a combination of the two or all three or whatever, it's all in there. So when you click on the join button, it's right there. Okay, so we're going to be rocking and rolling this week. The biggest thing that's tearing up the market still right now is what is with China. It's China with these astronomical tariffs. I mean, this is truly a tariff war at this point. So, it's just, hey, we got to wait till the storm passes. It'll work itself out eventually, but right now it's a storm that's passing, so, we still winning in the market. So that's good enough. That's all I care about is wins. All right, you guys. So I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much. And again, for those who are interested in the Futrix program and you want to join Futrix, just go to our website, futrix.com. And you can be able to join in today. Okay, so let me pull that up for you real quick if you want to do that. And here's our website. So this is our official website. Okay, futrix.com. That's our website. Okay, so anybody else who's trying to say, oh, this, that, and the other, in the third, no, this is our website, futrix.com, and this is our other website, superezcopycat.com. Okay, so if you're interested in the futures market, we start up next week, so you got all weekend long to get yourself ready. If you're not familiar with TradingView, just watch a couple of those free tutorials on YouTube. They got a bunch of them, and most of the buttons that's on there, we're not going to be using them anyway. We're going to use it very, very simple. Okay, we have our own personal indicator and all that stuff. Once you do sign up, you'll be able to see you're going to see a login button, and once you log in, this is the tabs you're going to see. Just click on this one, the futures course. It's really, really simple. Just watch the first welcome video. Watch the first welcome video. It's only about 4 or 5 minutes long, and it'll tell you everything you need to know so that you'll be ready for next week. Okay, but again, if you want to be in the copycat family, then just go again to superezcopycat.com. Okay, so that's our websites. Everything is official, and again, we're doing it this way because I have so many people who's out there trying to scam people, saying, "Oh, I'm Uncle P, send me some crypto, send me some Bitcoin and all this kind of stuff," and they're doing it through private Discord channels, private Telegram channels. No, we're getting away from that. We're getting away from that so that you'll know my websites, okay? And when anything you need, you know how to reach us, because the contact form is on the sites as well. So if you have any questions, just click on the contact forms and you'll be able to reach us right by that. See, click here and fill out. See, it's right there. So if you need to reach us, that's how you do it, okay? It'll take you right to our contact form, so you'll know it's going directly to us. No scammers allowed. Okay, you guys have a great weekend. I'm heading to the beach. Bye.